동네, 동네에 카페가 많아요. 동네에서 산책해요. 동네가 조용해요. 새로운 동네로 이사 왔어요. 아파트,
Korea has a high population density, which has led to the development of many high rise apartment complexes. In Korea, an apartment usually doesn't refer to just a single building. Instead, multiple buildings are grouped together in a large residential complex. With hundreds or even thousands of households living there, these complexes often feel like small towns, featuring playgrounds, parking areas, fitness facilities, and small shopping areas within the complex.
저는 아파트에 살아요. 아파트 앞에 공원이 있어요. 아파트 단지가 아주 커요. 빌라,
In English, the word villa often refers to a large, luxurious house in the suburbs. However, it's a bit different in Korea. Here, abilla usually refers to a low-rise residential building, typically about 4 to 5 stories high. While smaller than large apartment complexes, villas are one of the most common types of housing in Korea and are often found along neighborhood alleys.
친구가 빌라에 살아요. 이 빌라는 조용해요. 빌라 앞 골목이 좁아요. 주택. 저는 마당이 있는 주택에 살아요. 주택이 예뻐요. 이 주택은 오래됐어요.
Quiz time.
아파트, 주택, 동네, 빌라, 계단, 계단을 올라가요. 계단을 내려가고 있어요. 계단에 앉아 있어요. 엘리베이터, 엘리베이터를 타요. 엘리베이터를 기다리고 있어요. 엘리베이터가 고장 났어요.
Here's a useful tip for using elevators in Korea. If you accidentally press the wrong floor button, don't worry. In many Korean elevators, you can cancel it simply by pressing the same button again.
옥상, 옥상에 올라가요. 옥상에서 사진을 찍고 있어요. 옥상에 바람이 많이 불어요. 놀이터. 놀이터가 집 앞에 있어요. 놀이터에서 그네를 타고 있어요. 아이들이 놀이터에서 놀고 있어요.
Quiz time.
계단. 놀이터. 옥상. 엘리베이터. 주차장. 주차장이 지하에 있어요. 주차장에 차를 세워요. 주차장에 자리가 없어요. 분리수거장.
Korea has very strict recycling rules. That's why every apartment complex or neighborhood has a designated recycling station called 분리수거장. Recyclable items such as paper, plastic film, cans, and glass must be sorted separately. General waste that cannot be recycled must be disposed of in official prepaid bags, and food waste requires its own special bags or dedicated collection bins. It might seem complicated at first, but it's a very important part of Korean culture for protecting the environment.
분리수거장은 저쪽에 있어요. 분리수거장에 박스를 버려요. 분리수거장에 쓰레기를 버려요. 경비실.
At the entrance of many Korean apartment complexes, you'll find a small security office. Security guards are responsible for the safety and management of the complex. Beyond security duties, they often help with tasks like managing visitor parking, temporarily holding packages, and assisting residents with recycling.
경비실이 아파트 입구에 있어요. 방문증을 경비실에서 받았어요. 택배가 경비실에 있어요. 공원. 공원에 벤치가 많아요. 강아지와 함께 공원에 가요. 집 근처 공원에서 조깅해요.
Quiz time.
주차장. 경비실. 분리수거장. 공원. 길. 길을 건너요. 길이 막혀요. 가는 길에 편의점이 있어요. 골목, 골목에 가게가 많아요. 골목이 좁아요. 이 골목은 조용해요. 상가,
At the entrance of Korean apartment complexes, there is usually a building called sanga. Inside this building, you'll find various shops such as convenience stores, small supermarket, pharmacies, hair salons, and private academies. You can also easily find the sanga buildings along the alleys of villa and housing areas. Thanks to this layout, most Korean neighborhoods are very walkable and you can easily access daily necessities on foot.
상가에 가요. 상가에 카페가 있어요. 상가 건물이 아주 높아요. 가게,
Sanga refers to the entire building or area where multiple businesses are located. On the other hand, kage refers to each individual shop or store inside that building.
가게에 손님이 많아요. 가게에서 신발을 사요. 가게가 문을 닫았어요. 이웃, 이웃을 만났어요. 이웃 사람들과 인사해요. 이웃집에서 맛있는 냄새가 나요.
Quiz time.
상가, 길, 이웃, 가게, 골목,